Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here for you we have a silver KJ Series Jeep Cherokee, all 3.7 V6 automatic with a modified nose. Just did a walk around, we'll jump in here. It's done 110,307 kilometres. I've got the motor running, it's got a flat battery. Standard inside, airbags haven't gone off. CD player, radio. Seats are showing a little bit of wear. Driver's side seat's got a couple of little bits down the side. Got pretty good doors. A few little dings on that door there. The guards are bowed, so it's not too good. I'll hold up if I can, somehow. Come there, somewhere. Where'd that go? Excuse me. Sorry about that. There we go. And we need our bonnet stay too. Right, we can sit there, there we go. 3.7 V6. Alright, let's shut that down now. We'll do our walk around. It's got a set of alloys on it with pretty good tyres, a couple of tiny marks here and there. And so we've got good doors, got a good tailgate. In there. Got roof racks, but I don't have the key, which is a bit of a nuisance. No dents in the tailgate, spare wheel, good rear bar, tail lights, all that stuff. Alright, so if you need any parts for your Jeep Cherokee, any car, doesn't matter, give us a call on 02 4646 1733 and the Parts Plus guys will help you out. Alright, thanks for watching and bye for now.